Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been around a week. I haven't uploaded any video. It's because due to my college, I couldn't manage time to edit videos and upload it. So deciding to upload today, I went to Sasvad with few rail fans. I shot almost 3 trains, including Palace Queen Humsafar. So here is a compilation of that video. So enjoy watching it. Let's start with reaching Sasvad from home. So here comes the first train. It was Hazrat Nizamuddin Goa Express, WDP 4D in lead. After passing of Goa Express, a freight train arrived. It was very slow, so I recorded only locomotive then. This train is Bangalore Jodhpur Express. Locomotive is WDP 4B. So this was the last spotting of the evening. It was Udaipur to Mysore, Palace Queen Humsafar Express. Locomotive in lead was KJM WDP 4. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching guys. Do like the video if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button to watch more videos from my channel.